again. So this is my fourth video, and in my video I explain you HTML project, the student portal. So this is my student portal's code. Like this is my doc type. In doc type I use exclamation mark. Why I use exclamation mark? Because exclamation mark is for uh, navigate one path to browser. Like this is the HTML5 version, that's why we are using exclamation mark. This is HTML language English. When we write here fr means friends, it's also working. Head section, meta, charset, utf, it's also a special symbol, and all symbols are included in utf-8. Why we are not using utf-16? Because it's too long, and when we use meta name, it's only showing our website like 100% width and also working on every device. Title means we are search in Chrome and anywhere, search in browser with our name. Well, like I search in Chrome home. That's time my website is on in Chrome, showing on Chrome. And closing tag of head. This is the boiler code. The doc type to head section. This is the boiler code. Next body. This all is screen our body, and this is the header section. This is header section. In header section, I take one horizontal line. After that, I use em. Em means emphasize. Emphasizing meaning is it's also look like italic, but some differences in this browser understand. This is the important thing, not only italic text. That's why little bit different italic and emphasizing text like styling. After that I use image. The div means it's a block element. I use for CSS. It's only using for designing, but not now. Navbar means navigation bar. UL means another list, and this is the my list. Anchor tag as reference. Reference means what I take reference. This is the reference, and this is the name. Anchor tag close. When I use anchor tag, it means I click it's also clickable, and I go to another page. This is the link, another link to another page. HR also the header closing tag. Main I use H1. H1 means most important heading. P means paragraph. HR main footer div article. Article list means it's also important, showing also in own self important as to summary. uh, Articles real life example, like when I take one book and by mistake one page is dislocate, that time uh, we read the page, but in one page we have interest also, because this that one page is also important. It means article in whole website. If I use article, it means this section is also important. Paragraph p in paragraph I use and copy. And copy means it's making c symbol, c and circle. It means copyright symbol. When I use this, like no one take my website because this is my and written by Deepankar, all right reserved. This is the entity of HTML, article deep footer HR. So now I show you my next thing. This is the same thing. H footer head nav UL HRM. This header main. In main I use HR H1. most important heading, P paragraph, H2 subheading, and this is the my link. Like I use this mail to Deepankar, send your mail. Like when I use this, so my yeah, send your mail. It's also clickable, but some issue it's not opening. This is the network issue. Like and form. When we make any form like this, that time we use this tag label. Label for use this like full name, what we want to do, and so to user interface. Like this is the user interface, and this is the for coders. So use for user interface, this is label. Label means full name, and this is br. Br means break row, one line gap. This is input type. This is input type text, like what we want to do in the section of this. Like don't want to add here number, we want to add here text. That's why we are add here the text, input type text. Placeholder, enter your name. So as you know here, enter your name. This is placeholder what we want to showing here. This is the and required if I don't fill this tab, so I did not come to submit. That's why I use this. And br means also to line gap. Same label, input type email like this. Placeholder, enter your email. Required date of birth, like I type here date. It means I can use here month also and date also. Label, select. Select we are using for only selection like this. What we want to select here, that time we use this. Like select required. If we are not select anything, so we can't go other way, other select submit. And option, what is our option? This HTML, CSS, JavaScript, soft skill. This is our options. Then rate my portfolio. For options, same selection, label, text area, rows. This is my text area, 8 rows, 30 columns. Placeholder, write your feedback here. Text area means what kind of area of text. This is the text area. And we also give here rows and calls. Button tab like this, submit, and also submit. Type of submit, it means we click here, so it's also submits some form. Form closing tag, main closing tag, HR footer, and copy the entity of HTML footer body. So this is my project. I will show you it in detail. This is my form, and this is the form section. The image, navbar, main, and this is the article section. Okay, thank you guys for watching this my video. Thank you.